Hello, thank you for choosing Timter. Today's video is about settings and the initial setup of the app. So from the home screen, top right hand corner is a settings icon. If we tap on that, so at the very top is all about the subscription, what your current subscription might be, what subscriptions are available to you. It's also got our terms and conditions and our privacy policy in that area. The next one down is the personal profile, pretty much like any other personal profile details that you need to fill in for social media and such like. The next one is the company information. So if we click on that, we've got 3 cards to fill out there. As you see, the first one, I pay VAT. If we click on that, so it's clicked off, then it's just nice and simple, your company name. If you're a registered company, then you can put the number there as well, but if that's not applicable, then just leave it blank. If we click on the I pay VAT button, suddenly we're given the option to have the VAT number there, which is put on various documents like your invoices, and also it affects how we display the cost of materials. So if you click on the I pay VAT, you'll get the full VAT breakdown on the price. If you choose not to have that, then you'll just give it the nice simple uncomplicated figure of what the materials are. Next card down is the address, and if you want to copy it over from your personal profile, if your business address is registered at your personal address, just click on that button and it will copy and paste the information over. And then at the bottom there, we've got the email address and telephone number. Go on, branding. This has been really well thought out area. We've kept it very basic, but it is still very powerful in giving you a really nice professional image for your company. So you can import your logo at the top, your business logo. You can adjust the color scheme of the documents. You can adjust the fonts. There's 2 font types there. You can see what those are and you can select those, and then you can add other affiliated icons to accommodate on various documents. So that's really nice branding. You'll see how that appears on documents later on. Profession, these are the materials available to search from for each group. So you may be sort of multidisciplined in what you do, and you might do electrical and plumbing, or you might be a builder that does brickwork, carpentry, drainage and all the rest of it. So one tip that I would give here is to, if you're mainly an electrician like I am, and you only want to search through electrical products when you're doing a product search, then just select one. If you're going to do a bit of a plumbing job, then click on the plumbing one, and it will appear, and then you can turn it off, and it basically just it sort of controls the searching element. It saves you, if you clicked on everything, every search you do, any common words will be bringing up all kinds of different materials, probably not related to what you're looking for. Next one, we have rates and taxes. You've got a switch there where you can display whether you want your prices to show the VAT or include the VAT or not. You've also got a section there for CIS tax at 20%. You've got the VAT at 20% at the moment, standard rate. You've got a reduced rate at 5%, and you've got a 0 rated VAT there. They can all be changed nice and simply. Your labour rates, you can enter your own labour rates there, and you could select these how you want to. You can have a low, medium, high like I have, or if you generally maybe have 2 people working together and want to put a higher rate in for 2 people, you can do that. And then lastly, at the bottom, you've got your materials markup, a low and a high there. Again, you can change it to what you want, and as you set up projects, again, you can have the projects at different rates as well. Suppliers, so here is where you can put in all your supplier information, and you can see in the top right hand corner this option to import from your address book of your phone, and we'll touch on that another time. And again, if you've got the plus button on the top right for adding a new supplier. Customers, pretty much the same as the suppliers. Again, you click on a new. You can either fill it in from scratch, or you can do the import that you see there in the top right hand corner. Email templates. This is quite a useful little area. All the emails that we generate ready to accompany your invoices and quotes are already set up here, so it saves you having to keep typing out emails. So, and you can change the content of these emails quite simply by just editing as you need to. Accounting. So here we have two cards. One, simply your bank details, account number and sort code. This will be attached to invoices and pro forma invoices. And then you got your document numbering down below, and you can choose how you want to do it. If you just wanted a numbering system without the month and year on it, then you can just click on that and change the format. So that's a nice and simple way of having it how you would like it. And then finally, security. This is for changing your account email and your account password. So you just confirm new ones in there, and the same with your password. There you go. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next video.